Hello friends, welcome back to Famous Education channel. I'm back with new creative videos. We have gone through few videos on NodeJS such as Introduction to NodeJS, Database Connection to MySQL but using command prompt. Today's video is really innovative and interesting. For that, first of all, we will see the index.html file. Here form is there, action, then username and password and submit button. Now we will see the main file app.js. First statement, const express is equal to require, create a constant app and set it to express, creating instance of express. The next statement, constant app is equal to express, creating constant app and set it to express means creating instance of express. Next statement, app.use express JSON and app.use express URL encoded. It is used for to initialize the express parser to parse JSON data to get form data. And then next statement, app.get, then / request and response, that is through index.html and send file. And then next statement, app.post bracket double quotes / double quotes close comma, use post method to handle post request, that is username and password. Now I will execute the program. npm start. Yes, now we will go through browser. Now http, yes, registration open, then sam and password sam123. Yes, data received. We will check here sam and password sam123. Yes, we are successfully done with getting form data using NodeJS. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.